is the backyard of Kent. We have a fenced off shed area here with gravel. A dog area. We can get a dog. They have some nice shrubs here. It's actually not bad. The grass just needs some rejuvenation.
All the way over there too is really nice.
Yeah, a completely concrete, what's that called? Walled off? Is that what you called it? The
block wall.
Block wall,
Yeah,
okay.
all the way around, because some of them, remember, they had wood, and it needs to be redone.
Yeah, two nice trees here to provide some shade. Wesley could play outside in the shade. And this blocked off all the way to the front of the house. That's real nice, actually. Can't tell if this is a green or a tan. It looks tan in the front.
It's tan.
Looks like it needs some work up here.
That's usually the joints, and they just need
Oh,
to be
okay.
redone. It's not, it's just
Some
the
peeling.
type of sheetrock, and with the heat does that. That you'll find in Arizona.
Sure. Yep. Some extra tile for you there. I wonder why that's left cup painted up there. It's weird.
It's an accent.
Yeah, I can see.